Present continuous tense. When to use present continuous? Actions happening now. We use it to talk about actions that are happening now. Examples: I am eating lunch. She is writing a letter. They are playing soccer in the park. He is cooking dinner. We are watching a movie. Describing temporary actions. It's used for actions that are temporary or not habitual. Examples: he is learning to play the guitar. She is trying a new recipe today. I am taking a yoga class this week. We are visiting our grandparents for the weekend. She is playing soccer with her friends today. Discussing future plans. We also use it to talk about future arrangements. Examples: I am meeting my friend at 4 p.m. They are flying to Paris next week. She is attending a conference on Friday. He is going to the dentist in the afternoon. We are watching a play at the theater this evening. How to form present continuous? Positive form. To make a positive sentence, start with the subject, add the appropriate form of to be, am, is, are, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: I am cooking dinner. She is playing tennis now. Negative form. For negative sentences, use not after the form of to be. Am not, is not, are not, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: she isn't sleeping. They aren't watching TV. Question form. To ask a question, begin with the appropriate form of to be. Am, is, are, add the subject, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Examples: is she cooking? Are you studying for the test? Thank you.